Normally, when we want to check our values, we have to always go to the top, create a new layer, set the blending mode to color, and fill it with black. There is a problem with this, because when we are working on some bottom layer, we always have to scroll to the top to check our values. So how can we solve this? We are gonna actually use the same layer. We're gonna go onto Window and Auto Action. Here you can see I have already my auto actions created, so I'm gonna create a new set. Let's call it tutorial for now. And we have our first auto action already created, so we're gonna name it something like hide values. And we're gonna create a new auto action called show values. They are empty at the start, so we need to record some actions that Clip Studio Paint will perform at a later date. So we're gonna rename our already existing color layer to something like color check. We're gonna switch to any different layer, and because we have a color check layer turned on, we're first gonna do hide values, so we're clicking on hide values and we're pressing the record button to start recording. So now you have to perform the same actions. So create a new layer, call it temp. Now select the color check layer, turn off the color check layer, select back the temp layer and delete the temp layer and stop the recording. So now we can test this auto action by playing it, and as you can see, the color check layer is turned off. And we are still on the same layer. So now we're gonna do show values auto action. So we do the same thing. Create a new layer, call it temp. Select the color check layer. Turn it on. Select back the temp layer and delete this layer. And stop the recording. So as you can see, by playing the show values hide values now, the color layer is visible and invisible. You're gonna ask now, do you always have to keep this auto action window on? There is a way about that. We go to File, Shortcut Settings. Here we change to auto action, and we can see here we have our tutorial set of auto actions created. So you're gonna set the keybinds, hide values and show values. Now you can close every window. Now let's say we're painting on some bottom layer and we quickly want to see our values. We're just gonna press our keybinds, and as you can see, it's very easy to do and works perfectly. Subscribe if you found this video useful.